All right, hey folks, today we're going to be talking about a pre-owned trailer. It's called the Escape 19, weighs about 2,200 pounds. This trailer is one of those retro looking trailers. It's really nice, people love it. Has a power tongue jack. You get 2 batteries, and it also has a front window, which is great for light. If you come around here, this is a cute trailer. I'm excited about it. If you come in, you have a little really nice dinette up front here. Nice storage overhead. Also, you have storage under the dinette. You have a kitchenette right here with the nice stainless steel sink, nice faucet, and your 2 burners. You have your microwave is right here. Now the bed, we're going to be putting in the bed accustomed to however you like. So there's different beds you can buy for this, and we'll put the best new bed in here you like. Storage under the bed. Look at all that storage. Overhead storage. This is a cute trailer. Then if you look right here, you have a restroom. All in one. But it's also pretty big in there for considering some of the other ones. All right, folks, and it also has an AC unit right ahead, and it also has, boom, fantastic fan. Well, hey, yeah, this is Anthony.Fuller, the Ant-Man Fuller. Give me a call if you guys have any questions about this sweet-looking trailer. You can give me a call, 541-653-2818. Thank you.